let me just do a quick introduction of Run Rabbit Run. We are from China and south of China specifically, and we're kind of new girl band. Yeah, and basically we make electronic music, and nowadays we want to do more pop-ish, and but we combined a lot of music genres like drum bass and reggaeton and techno, synth pop, a lot, yeah. Actually, we don't have a purpose. We hope everyone enjoy the music, even if it's not their type, but we hope everyone can listen to it and watch the whole show, and maybe they have some feeling about music. Yeah.
It's a really beautiful city, and we're born here, and there is a lot of kinds of music there. Like the famous one is reggae music, and also a lot of kinds like metal, punk,
and also electronic.
Yeah, it's electronic. So a lot of kinds of music, and we also inspire with our friends. We
have a lot of friends making music, and one of our best friends, for our inspiration, local inspiration, South Acid Mimi. It's a group. It's a electronic, and we are inspired by them a lot when we are beginning making music, and we had a chance to tour in China, and it makes us bigger, in China, I guess. Mm-hmm.
I think it's a kind of our attitude. Mm-hmm. It's our name also comes from have you seen that?
It's anti-war. Mm-hmm. Anti-war title. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So I think most of a female musician is the same thing. I think it's a fight for the right things for women's. Women's.
Our generation.
And
maybe not very big, not very political. We just fight for maybe every day survive, sort of. Very traditional origins there, and I think in China everyone knows. Everyone knows it's kind of not very hard to know, not very hard to discover, but we want to express in another way, in a modern music way, like this. If choose one, 聊斋. It's also a title of our song. But we never published it. We didn't publish it.
Yes, because it's a story. It's a write about story of a ghost.
Okay.
Yeah, ghost, but
it's like a female ghost.
Yeah, female ghost. But
the image, in the ancient times, people will make like a very evil stuff.
But it looks like a ghost story, but in the deep meaning, there's some politics things. Yes. So we write a song. It's a kind of sensitive in China, so we cannot publish it. Yeah, publish it.
Yeah. It's one of the most important parts for Run Rabbit Run, and you can see the chain, crystal and pearls. Yeah, it's made by her. It's DIY, and also the curtain, that and a lot of stuff. We like to create.
Yes, it's part of us. We want to show that, well, how we look, and that's also our attitude too.
Yeah, and we like to do by ourselves.